2024 Nissan Versa. After receiving a facelift, the 2024 Nissan Versa is expected to be a carryover model. Rumors have surfaced claiming that a Versa won't make it past the current generation because of a lack of demand for sedan, especially subcompact ones, with Nissan having a habit of keeping old vehicles around with an update. The Versa could be on sale for quite some time. As a carryover model, the 2024 Versa should retain the same overall design as the current sedan that's on sale. The current Versa features a sporty design with a large, cascading grille and triangular headlights. Along the sides, the Versa showcases a flowing roof line, prominent body lines, and an elongated body. Arrow-shaped taillights that wrap around the body, a small spoiler, and around the bumper are the back. Despite being an affordable subcompact sedan, the Versa features a relatively premium interior. The Versa features nice material and an upscale design with a tiered dashboard and a flat-bottom steering wheel. The subcompact sedan has clear controls that are clearly laid out and intuitive to use. The 2024 Nissan Versa should have the same interior design as the current sedan that's on sale. The 2024 Versa will come with forward collision warning, reverse collision warning, pedestrian detection, forward and reverse automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and automatic high beam assist. Available safety features include a driver attention monitor, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert.